we call that glass. It's actually energy. Because of the speed it's vibrating at, we call it glass. We call this water, but it's actually energy too. Everything's energy. Everything vibrates at a different speed. What we're talking about here is energy. Well, the energy is in the vibratory rate it's in that glass. We're going to call it water. If you were to add heat to that energy that we call water, you wouldn't call it water anymore. It'd be the same energy, but it would be moving faster and a higher speed of vibration. Then we would call it steam or vapor. If we were to continue to add heat to that energy that we now call steam, you wouldn't call it steam any longer. You would call it air, ether, or gas. It's moved into now what we call an etheric vibration. But every level, it's the same energy.